this is Yamuna. So I would like to tell something about Athletic Academy, which we had 2 months of, 2 weeks of course. We had amazing lecturers, like they were explaining about like they were training for technical aspect, like in a particular office. If you want to attend an interview, like how you have to be, you have to be ready to answer those questions. Like even technical training, like some basic courses like HTML, Python, Java, JavaScript, everything, Bootstrap, CSS. Those all are very important for the front-end developers. Like if you want to develop a web application or an app, so those are very important course, and they have taught so well. Like we were having practical classes, very practical sessions. All the teachers were amazingly engaging their own sessions. We learned something which was very productive, and even we had soft skills training as well. Like how to have good basic communication skills. Like when you enter your interview, the very basic thing will be aptitude. Later group discussion, like how to crack an aptitude. For everything, literally each and every bit and part was trained so well, and we are getting that confidence. And even group discussion, we had live group discussion sessions, like how to speak, how to interact, how to have good communication skills, everything. So we were, at least getting some experiences, like how to tackle them, how to crack them, everything, like how to showcase yourself in that particular scenario, how to get rid of those nervousness and all. So that comes only when people train you well, and that was there. And after group discussion comes technical round. Yeah, as I told, all CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Python. We had live demo classes, and along with practicals and all, we had good assignments, which also made us perfect. And also technical rounds, and how to start an interview, how to wind up an interview. Everything was very crystal clearly explained by all our teachers from Athletic Academy, and we are